Hi, my name is Patrick and welcome back to TMK How-To series. If you want to do this with your shear, you are in the right place, because today's episode is about the TMK Tilting Unit. The tilting unit is bolt attached to the shear, just like brackets and hitches normally are. The top plate of the tilting unit is the same design as the top plate of the shear. This means that the bracket fits for both of them. If there's no need for the tilting unit, it is easy to take off and bolt on the bracket directly to the back of the shear. This way, the tilting unit and the shear adapt easily to your job. The design is very simple, yet strong and robust. The bottom of the tilt is shaped as a walking tool, so you can lean on it and help to move the excavator around in the challenging terrain. With two cylinders, we get equal forces on both ways and a smooth and reliable movement. Tilt is now equipped with adjustable oil flow restrictors, which make it possible to adjust the tilt speed to desired level easily and quickly. Two cylinders combined to the tilting system gives a wide range of motion, 90 degrees both ways, so total 180 degrees. This way we can get to the big overhanging branches or cut curved trees from the ground, even in the hilly terrain. And the best of them all, you need only one hydraulic circuit to control both shear and the tilt. With an additional electric valve, you can choose if the oil goes to the tilt or if you want to control the shear. And with TMK's wireless kit, you get the best benefits when there is no need for extra cables running on the boom. But the wireless kit is a whole new topic which we will cover later on. This was a little sneak peek about the TMK Tilting Unit. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will get down to it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.